by knockout in the first round. And the new WBA Asia Heavyweight Champion.
This week on the vlog, which still doesn't have a name yet, I fly to Ho Chi Minh City for a jam-packed weekend where I'll meet up with my cousin Ryan, do a tour of the city, meet up with a famous YouTuber from USA, Brandon Hurley, better known as Phúc Mập, learn all about food in Saigon, and get defeated by a deadly scorpion. I'll also get to attend one of the coolest events in Southeast Asia, the WMA Boxing World Championship. So switch to full screen mode, sit back, relax and grab yourself something to drink. Today we're in for an action-packed episode. Before I meet up with the legendary Phúc Mập, we kick off the weekend with some touristy shenanigans. I'm off to meet my cousin Ryan.
I'm on my way to see my cousin Ryan.
Here we go. Haven't seen him in over a year. Ryan, I haven't seen you in over a year. Dude, what's up with that? So this is actually my first time to Ho Chi Minh. I don't know a thing about Ho Chi Minh. I'm brand new there. He's expecting me to be the tour guide, and I think it's going to be more of Google Maps being the tour guide than anything else. He's been waiting for me for over an hour now. Sorry, Ryan. Look who it is, guys.
Daniel's late, as per normal.
Don't listen to him, guys.
Yeah, we both got in last night, like an hour apart from each other. Good night, and now we're gonna go explore the city.
Enough chit-chat, Ryan. It's time for me to teach you a thing or two about Vietnam. Okay, Ryan, so this is not the real Notre Dame.
This is not Notre Dame, yeah.
It's a copy of Notre Dame in Paris, and
yeah, it was built late 1800s.
This one here?
Yeah, this one here.
1800s.
All the materials were actually imported from France, all the bricks and stuff like that. Yeah, so it's a Notre Dame Saigon.
Okay, Ryan, time for you to teach me a thing or two about Vietnam.
Which is modern day Ho Chi Minh.
Come on all my vlogs. I never do research, and here you are just like this.
That was a quick 10 minutes on Google before what to do in Ho Chi Minh when you got 24 hours.
I can teach you how to cross the road. You want to go?
Okay, let's go cross the road.
Let's do it.
It's really not that bad. It's friggin' scary.
I think you did great.
I think it's so great. You just walk.
Woo!
We just take our lives into our hands every time you cross the road here. But you actually don't.
No, everyone's thinking about everyone.
Everyone is actually looking out for each other. You just walk. It's just like a bit of like, it's this.
Yeah.
And then hopefully you don't die.
Yes, Ryan. Crossing the streets is like jazz hands.
I know the words.
Down there, you'll see Notre Dame. Just off to the side of that, there's this cute little street with bookstores. Covered by trees, it's such a beautiful little alley. Leopard crawling like a boss.
How did you get here so fast? Secret tunnels.
Good job, Ryan.
Say yes to everything.
Always.
It's time to say yes to some delicious Vietnamese food. It's also time to meet the legend himself, Brandon Hurley, otherwise known as Phúc Mập, the dude with the chicken. Now we are going to meet up with the man, the legend, Brandon Hurley, and we'll probably just discuss what's happening over the weekend. Basically, the way this collab is working is I'm his cameraman for this trip. So yeah, I'll be Brandon's cameraman while he is emceeing for the boxing.
I got it.
That's 500. Yeah. The outside.
The man, the legend.
Sat down. Nice to finally meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
Các bạn ơi, Phúc Mập đây. Đây là Daniel Jackson and em trai của Dan tên là Ryan. Họ đến từ Hà Nội, bây giờ ăn từ phở miền Nam. Sau đây là phở bò kho. Chưa bao giờ ăn từ phở bò kho. And em trai của Dan có phở truyền thống là phở bò tai.
I have no idea what he just said, but this food was absolutely delicious.
got a bit of a delicacy. We're gonna eat some sort of insect.
I'm going down. That's the end of me. Okay, scorpions. This will be a first. I'm a little bit nervous. Baby, if I don't make it through this, just know that I love you very much and I can't.
Don't want these in your house. You don't want to get hit by one. I guess stung. I don't know what they do,
But apparently you want it in your mouth.
yes,
Makes
eating-
perfect sense.
eating's okay.
Do I peel this thing or
No, you just gotta eat it straight up.
crispy?
Welcome to Saigon.
I guess you guys think I'm gonna do it right now.
You're gonna have to. Start at the pinchers though. There's less poison.
I will. So the poison is only in the.
In the tail. You won't die. You might go to the hospital, but you'll be okay.
It tastes like potato chips.
That's what I said.
Did you say that?
No, that's why I said to the lady at the restaurant. It's like, it tastes just like potato chips.
It tastes like potato chips.
They season it well.
Start with the pinches. I'm not gonna eat the pinches.
You gotta eat the
like
pinchers.
crab.
That's the best one.
It's like crab meat.
Yeah, if you're gonna eat it like
Yeah.
a snow crab, where are you gonna start? The pinchers.
Shoot.
Come on! I'm eating this thing. What
So,
is it?
thoughts after that?
It's not that tasty. Stays in your mouth for a while. Absolutely pointless. I don't know why I did that. I think it's your turn.
I guess so. That one's calling my name.
Awesome. Okay, so scorpions done. I never have to do that again.
So now we're gonna do something quite extreme now.
So crazy.
So crazy. We're gonna go coffee.
One quick coffee before we say goodbye to the cousin. What a crazy day. Just say goodbye to Ryan. And then of course, no trip to Saigon would be complete without a delicious dish of kum tam, otherwise known as broken rice. Okay, so here we are. What is this called again?
This is kum tam, broken rice.
Broken rice. Tell us a little bit about it.
So kum tam, it used to be for the farmers that couldn't sell the rice grains that broke, so they would eat it. But then everybody realized it was so delicious like that they started selling it. And now it's a specialty.
But we all know that's not why you came here. You came here to see people getting hit in the face. So that's just what we're gonna do. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've all been waiting for, the WBA Boxing World Championship.
Back to the bone.
for me. Couldn't ask for a better cameraman. Couldn't ask for a better night. It worked out great. Appreciate you coming to Saigon, bro.
Thank you, sir.
I'm gonna have to return the favor and come up to Hanoi.
Yeah, you gotta do it.
Later, guys.
That's all, folks.